The Pool Payday keyboard not popping up usually means the app cannot trigger the device's on-screen keyboard, rather than the keyboard itself being permanently broken. The fastest fix is to restart Pool Payday, check the phone's keyboard settings, and then clear the app's temporary data if the problem continues. By the end, you'll know which settings to check on Android and iPhone, when to restart the app, and what to do if the keyboard works everywhere except Pool Payday. First, completely close Pool Payday instead of only minimizing it. Open your recent app screen, swipe Pool Payday away, then launch it again. Try the text field that was not bringing up the keyboard. If nothing happens, test the keyboard in another app. Open Messages, Notes, or your browser and tap a text field. If the keyboard appears there, your phone's keyboard is working, and the problem is more likely connected to Pool Payday. On Android, open Settings and search for Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard. Make sure a keyboard such as Gboard or your installed default keyboard is enabled. If multiple keyboards are installed, select the keyboard you normally use and test Pool Payday again. You can also open Settings, go to Apps, select Pool Payday, and check its storage options. Use the option for clearing cache if your phone provides it. Clearing cache removes temporary app files, while clearing app data can reset locally stored app information, so avoid clearing data unless you know your account information is safely available for signing in again. On iPhone, restart the device, and then test the keyboard in another app. You can also check Settings, General, Keyboard to confirm that your installed keyboard is available. If the keyboard works normally elsewhere but still does not appear inside Pool Payday, remove and reinstall the app if your account and login details are available. There is one useful distinction here. If the keyboard does not appear anywhere on the phone, troubleshoot the device keyboard first. If it appears in other apps but not Pool Payday, focus on the Pool Payday installation and app state. Also, check whether Pool Payday has an available update in the App Store or Google Play. An app update can resolve problems caused by an older build interacting incorrectly with the operating system. So, start with a full app restart. Test the keyboard outside Pool Payday. Then check the keyboard settings and clear Pool Payday's cache. On Android, reinstall the app if necessary. If the keyboard works in every other app and still refuses to appear in Pool Payday after reinstalling, the issue is likely app-specific. Contact Pool Payday support and include your device model, operating system version, and the exact screen where the keyboard fails. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.